ScanTheSun, a 1-minute app for solar panels perfect installation. Many business entities are seeking the efficient solar energy, and therefore they need a reliable, fast and easy-to-use tool for the most efficient solar panels placement and configuration. A tool that provides precise yield forecast based on all important factors affecting solar energy production. To get this goal today, it requires computer modeling consuming manpower and time. ScanTheSun is the solution. The whole process takes 1 minute and is fast and easy.
Target groups, utilities, PV installers, and retailers. Revenue and profit, we expect $15 million revenue and 7.5 in gross profit.
Our competitors are either precise and time-consuming or fast while too much simplified. ScanTheSun is both fast and precise. Instead of computer modeling, ScanTheSun uses smartphone sensors. Just tap to identify shading sources, and within a minute you will receive design recommendation and predicted energy yield. Standard, not optimized solar installation may not work with the highest efficiency, especially when there are shading sources nearby. With ScanTheSun, you will get the highest yield while reducing investment costs.
The basic strategy is to form partnership with major utilities, PV retail distribution chains, and PV manufacturers to offer the app via their commercial network to their customer base.
I'm Ernest Grodner, a technology specialist.
Hi, I'm Jakub Jake. I have 10 years of commercial experience in US and 15 in Central Eastern Europe, launching new business lines and developing large B2B accounts.